In this lesson, I will show you how to divide numbers written in scientific notation. One more time, I will explain to you scientific notation. Scientific notation has two factors multiplied together. The first factor must be at least 1. See, the focus is at least 1 and less than 10. So simply we can say the first factor should be between 1 to 9 and the second factor must be a power of 10. So here is the example. This is 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6. So the first factor is at least 1 or less than 10, which is 9. Second factor should be a power of 10, which is 10 raised to power 6, and this is multiplied together. So this is the scientific notation. In the denominator, we have the same thing. 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3. 3 is the first factor, which is less than 10. Second factor is power of 10. So how to divide this scientific notation? It is very easy. First of all, we will make the grouping. This is the first factor, 9 over 3. And the second factor is 10 raised to power 6 divided by 10 raised to power 3. So here we can simplify it, which is 3 1 times 3 times 9 equal to 3, and the second part is 10 raised to power 6. See, here is the division sign. This line represents division and the base is same. This is 10 raised to power 6, this is 10 raised to power 3. If the bases are same, we can add or subtract the powers. So this power will go in the numerator. Now it is in the denominator. When it will go to the numerator, the sign will change. This is positive 3. In the numerator, it will be negative 3. So it is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. So this is the answer. This is the division of scientific notation. Again, the answer is in the scientific notation, which says it has two factors. The first factor should be less than 10, which is 3. The second factor should be the power of 10, which is power of 10 raised to power 3. One more question I will solve for you. Again, it is written in the scientific notation. See, this is less than 10. This is the power of 10. 10 raised to power 8. So how we will solve it? 8 divided by 4. We will make the group. This is the first factor. Second factor is 10 raised to power 8 divided by 10 raised to power 4. So here we will simplify it. 4 1 times 4, 4 2 times 8, which is 2, multiply by, again see, this sign represents division and both have the same basis, 10 and 10. This is the condition. Base should be same in order to add or subtract the power. So 8 minus 4. Why minus 4? Because this 4 is in the denominator. When we will take this to the numerator, its sign will change. 8 minus 4. So it is equal to 2, 10 raised to power 4. Again, our answer is in the scientific notation. First part is less than 10. Second part is the power of 10. So it is right. One more question here. I will solve it directly instead of making the grouping. So 6, 3 divided by 3. Here is 10 raised to power 9 and then minus 3. Why minus 3? Because this 3 is in the denominator. It will go to the numerator. The sign will change and both have the same 10 and 10. That is why we are adding or subtracting the powers. So 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6, which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 6. Again, our answer is in the scientific notation. You can see scientific notation has two parts. First part, first factor should be less than 10, which is 2. Second factor should be the power of 10, 10 raised to power 6. So we can multiply it. Here I have set some practice problem for you. So first you have to solve these questions. Then answers are also here. Then you can tell your answers. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, SciMy Academy. And thanks for watching.